Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable the Hey Siri hands-free voice command on your MacBook or macOS device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what I have to do is select the Apple icon up in the menu bar and then select System Settings. On the left side, you want to select Apple Intelligence and Siri. If you do not see that, you may have to select the Siri option on the left panel here first, and you may have to enable Siri, and you have to enable that. And then you can select what voice you want, and then select Done. And then there should be an option that should appear on the left side. You may have to restart your computer and connect to your Apple account, but there should be an option to select Apple Intelligence and Siri. And then you on the right panel, there'd be an option to turn on the option to listen for Hey Siri. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.